Ever wondered why clouds float? It's because they're made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that are so light they defy gravity. Imagine each droplet as a feather, and together they form the fluffy clouds we see. But here's the kicker. A single cloud can weigh as much as 100 elephants, yet it floats effortlessly in the sky. This paradox of weight and buoyancy is a marvel of nature, showing how even the heaviest things can be light as air. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.